Before you begin this activity, make sure your parents have printed out the paper that says circle and sort, and it has this sentence at the beginning. So if your parents have not given you that paper, please press pause on the video, and then you can press play again after they give you this paper. You need your crayons and you need your pencil. Okay, once you're ready to start, please press play. If you're ready to start now, then just keep watching. All right, we're going to be reading sentences today. And then we're going to be finding the special word families that we learned about, which is at. Can you say at? At. And add. Add. At and add, we're going to find word families, words that have these letters next to each other in them. But first, we need to read the sentence. So you're going to read the sentence to your parents. When we read, we put our finger under each word as we are reading. That's how we keep track of where we are. And if we get to a word we don't know, we try to sound it out, just like we've been doing with all of our letters. So, what is this word? Most of you know what this word is already. This is the. The. Okay, I don't know this word, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap each letter to sound it out like we've been doing. Listen to me first, and then you can do it with me. At. At. Rat. Do it with me. At. At. Rat. So now that I figured it out, I'm going to go back to the beginning so I can understand what the sentence says. The rat is on I don't know this word. We need to sound it out. Let's do it together. At. At. Can you tap your paper, the letters on your paper that have the M and the A and the T? Go ahead. I want you to do it. At. Tap your paper. At. You should be looking at your paper and tapping the letters. Don't put your finger on top of the letters and smush them. Your finger goes underneath. At. A little bit quicker. At. Mat. Great job. But now, after we sound out a word, we have to go back to the beginning and read this together so we understand what it says now that we know the words. Let's do it together. Look at mine. The rat is on a mat. Sometimes I have to read it more than once. The rat is on a mat. The rat is on a mat. All right, we're going to try to find at, words that have this word family at the end of them, and words that have the add word family at the end of them. We'll start with this one right here. And you're going to need your yellow crayon because if you find a word that has at the end with the A and the T next to each other, you are going to circle it with a yellow crayon. Do you see a word that has at the end of it? Does this word, the, have at, the letters A and T here? No. What about this word? Does this word have the A and T next to it, next to each other? Yes, so what we're going to do is we're going to circle this word with our yellow crayon, and then you are going to write the word underneath the category at. This is a category because we keep this all together right here. So you're going to write that word rat on the first line under at. And I sound it out as I write with my pencil. Oops, that's kind of silly. And you can always erase if you make a mistake. That's why we use pencil. Rat. Great. Now don't forget, there might be more here. Let's keep going. Remember, we're looking for at words with the A and the T next to them. I always start back at the beginning. The rat. Does this word is have at? No. How about on? Does on have at in it? No. We know A doesn't. What about mat? Does mat have A and T next to each other? Mat. Yes, so we're going to circle this word, and we're at the end because we know that this is the period, and period tells us to take a little breath, that we're at the end of our sentence. So now we're going to write that word on our line under the at. We're not doing it under add because it has at. It goes with at. At. Great job. So you're going to keep doing this today. Now, I don't see any add words. The rat is on a mat. I don't see any add words here, so we don't have to circle anything green. But you're going to keep reading the sentences to your parents just like we did together. Make sure you put your finger under each word. Make sure you sound out words that you don't know, and then start again and reread the sentence so you understand it. You're going to find all the at words and all the add words. And then after you've written them all down with your pencil, have your parents take a picture and show me the beautiful work you did. Great job.